To see operation on rational numbers, first of all we will discuss about addition. Here we are going to take example of those rational numbers which have common denominator or same denominator. Suppose we have 3 upon 17 and 8 upon 17. We have to add them. We have same denominator here, no need to take LCM. Simply we will write here 17, that is the common denominator, and now we will add their numerator. 3 plus 8, we get 11 upon 17. If numerator is greater, we will write it in mixed number. Now we are going to take another example. Suppose we have to add 3 upon 11 and minus 5 upon 11. Here we can do like this. We will write the common denominator here. Now we are going to add their numerator 3 plus minus 5, and we know that plus minus minus, we will find their difference. We get 2, and the number with greater absolute value is 5. It has negative sign. We will write minus here upon 11. In this way we will add. Now we are going to take example with different denominators, rational numbers with different denominator. Suppose we have 3 upon 8 and 5 upon 12. For this, to add these two rational numbers with different denominators, first we have to find the LCM of their denominator. 8 and 12, we will find their LCM first. 4, 6, 2, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3, by 3 we get. Now our LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 24. We have to make both the denominators 24. We can do like this. In the table of 8, we get 24 3 times. So we can multiply this 3 upon 3. In the table of 12, we get 24 2 times. So we will multiply both numerator and denominator by 2 here to get denominator 24. Here we are getting 9 upon 24. Here we are getting 10 upon 24. Now we have same denominator 24 here, common denominator. Now we will add their numerator. 9 plus 10, we are getting 19 upon 24. Now we will see subtraction of rational numbers. Suppose we have to subtract minus 3 by 8 from 5 by 8. Here we have taken two numbers with same denominator. Now we will write this number first, which is after from. 5 upon 8 minus, since we have to subtract, we will put minus sign here, minus this one, minus 3 upon 8. Minus minus we get plus, minus into minus plus. Now we have same denominators, common denominator, we write 8 here, and we will add there, perform the operation according to sign. 5 plus 3, we are getting 8 upon 8, we are getting 1. We can get any number. Now we are taking another example with different denominators. Now we have to subtract 3 upon 8 from 2 upon 15. We will write this number first. 2 upon 15. We will write minus sign, then we will write this number here. And we know by calculation LCM of 15 and 8 is 120. We have to bring 120 here, in both the denominator. In the table of 15 we get 128 times, and in the table of 8 we get 120 15 times. Now we are going to multiply this by 8 to get 120 here, and this by 15 to get 120 in the denominator. Now 16 upon 120 minus 45 upon 120. We have same denominator 120 here. We will write 16 minus 45. And when we subtract these numbers, we get 15 minus 6, 9, 3 minus 1, 2, minus 29 upon 120. In this way, we have seen subtraction. Now we are going to see multiplication of two rational numbers. It's very easy to multiply any two rational numbers. Suppose we are going to see multiplication. Before taking number, we can see if we take a upon b one number and other c upon d, simply we will multiply this a into c, b into d. If we are able to cancel, we can cancel them also. Now we are going to take one example, one or two examples. Suppose we have to multiply 3 by 5 by 9 upon 25. Here we cannot cancel them, so we are going to multiply this by numerator, 9 3 are 27, and this by this, we will get 125. One thing is very important to note here: we don't have to take LCM in case of multiplication and division of rational numbers. Now we are going to take another example. Suppose we have to multiply 3 upon 20 and 5 upon 16. If we are able to cancel here, we can cancel. 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. Now we cannot cancel anymore. 3 1s are 3, 4 into 16 we get 64. This is our answer. Now we are going to see division of rational numbers. For this, suppose we have to divide a upon b by c upon d. Then we will have to change this sign first. We will write this division sign as multiplication, and then we will write the reciprocal of this. It will become d upon c. Now this into this we will get AD, and this into this BC, if there is no number to cancel them. Now let us take example and see. Suppose we have to divide 2 by 3 by 5 upon 7. First of all, we will change this sign of division into multiplication and write 7 upon 5 here. There is no number which can cancel them. 7 2 ja 14, 5 3 ja 15. This is our answer. Let us take one more example. If we have to divide 7 upon 9 by 8 upon minus 8 upon 3. We are taking minus sign also here. Here 7 upon 9, division will change into multiplication, but the minus sign will remain here. It will be written minus 3 upon 8. Now we can cancel both these numbers by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. Now we can no more cancel them. Now we will multiply 7 1 ja 7 with minus sign, 8 3 ja 24. This is our answer. Now we are taking such a question which has more than such operations. Let us take an example. We have to evaluate. It is given 1 minus 8 upon 11 plus 27 upon minus 22. Here this 1 can be written as 1 upon 1. Now minus 8 upon 11. One thing we must keep in mind, that we have to write denominator as in positive. So we will write this minus sign here, plus minus minus, minus 27 upon 22. Now we will take the LCM of 1, 11 and 22, and by calculation we are getting the LCM 22. So we have to bring 22 here, and here is already 22. To bring 22 here, we will multiply this by 22 and here 22. 1 upon 1 minus 8 upon 11. 11 2 is 22, so we will multiply it by 2. We already have here 22, no need to multiply here. It will become 22 upon 22 This is 16 minus 16 upon 22. This is minus 27 upon 22. 22 we have written here. Now these both are negative. This 22 minus. Since both are negative, we will add them and write the common sign here. 6 plus 7, 13. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Now we have one positive and other negative. We will subtract them and write the sign of the number with greater absolute value, that is this sign of this one. When we multiply this by, subtract this from this, we get 3 minus 2, 1, 4 minus 2, 2 with minus sign upon 22. This is our answer. Now we are going to evaluate another question. 7 upon 66 divided by minus 14 upon 33 into 22 upon minus 15. It is 35 given here. Now let us calculate this one. First we will solve the bracket. We have to follow the rule of BODMAS also, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So we will solve this bracket first. It is 7 upon 66 divided. Here let us write it minus 14 upon 33 into minus 22 upon 35. Now we can cancel both these numbers with 7. 7 5 ja, 7 2 ja. Both these by 11. 11 3 ja, 11 2 ja. We are getting 7 upon 66 divided. Both are negative. Minus into minus we will get plus. 2 2 ja, 4. 5 3 ja, 15. Now we will follow the rule of division here. It is 7 upon 66. We will change the sign into multiplication. Write the reciprocal of it, 15 upon 4. Here both these numbers can be cancelled with 3. We get 3 5 ja, 3 22 ja. No more to cancel. We will multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 7 5 ja, 35. 22 4 ja, 88. This is our answer. We can evaluate numbers like this.